Okay, this is the part 3 of the timing chain of Astra Key 2015. So I have already installed the new chain. You can see I just need to pull the adjuster for it to release the chain. So I want to show you the timing mark again once more. So when you look here, you will see 2 dots at the bottom here. Let me try to clean it. Okay, you see the 2 dots is going to that straight mark. That's for the crankshaft. And then you make sure you put this mark that is on the chain on this mark that is on this crankshaft. The pump, same goes to the top here. You separate, this is a dot here, you separate these 2 marks and you put it on the middle like this. So once you put it like that, the timing is 100% correct. So I'm going to release my adjuster now. So it's good to go. Thanks for watching. If you're watching my video for the first time, subscribe to my channel, like, share.